Hello everyone, so today I am going to be showing you how to do the single crochet stitch. So to start the single crochet stitch, you're going to start with a slip knot. If you need further explanation on this, I did create a video and it is on my channel about how to create a slip knot. So once you have your slip knot, you're going to start a foundation chain. I also have a video on this on my channel. I will link in the description below. For purposes of this video, I am going to just chain 6. This is going to create 5 double crochet. This 6th chain here is only for turning purposes. So in the second chain from the hook, so this is the first chain from the hook and this is the second, you're going to insert your hook, pull up a loop. So now you should have 2 loops on your hook, then yarn over and pull through both loops. That is your first single crochet stitch. You will follow through in the rest of these stitches. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up the loop, pull through 2. On the last one, you'll continue as normal. And then when you're ready to go on to the next row, you will chain up 1 and then turn your work. And then you would go forward from here. But that is how you create the single crochet stitch. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you.